In some assemblies, you might need to create a loopback. To do that, start by creating a new path and connecting both ends to the same connector. Once that's done, select a wire for the loopback. Just make sure the wire gauge is within the accepted range for those pins. For this connector, we're using 24 AWG wire, well within the right range for these pins. Next, click the Link Pins button to open the pinout view. Then select the pins you want to link. In this case, 34 and 19 for the first loopback, and 36 and 21 for the second. As you can see, loopbacks are highlighted in red. To confirm, click Apply Changes. Finally, we can add note to clarify how the loopback should be handled. By default, we hide loopbacks inside the back shell, so we'll confirm that here. To make it extra clear, you can also add a pointer arrow to the note. And that's it. Your loopback is defined and clearly outlined in the design.